In this video segment, we will go over the opening and blending process of producing a needle punch nonwoven felt on line 2 at Global Felt Technologies. Construction of the felt starts with large compact bales of fiber. Fiber enters the line at our hoppers in the form of bales. The hoppers are essentially bale openers that begin to open or break apart the firmly compressed bales, which make the fiber easier to process downstream. Felt making usually involves mixing multiple fibers together depending on the fiber's unique characteristics to achieve the desired outcome of the customer. In subsequent steps, the fiber is further opened and blended to prepare for the carding stage. Line 2 consists of 4 hoppers, a pre-opener, a fine opener, and a blend box for the opening stages of production. With the ability to open 4 different fibers, Line 2 has the capacity to produce a large range of textile products that include the automotive, home furnishing, boat, RV, roofing, and geotextile industries. At the front side of each hopper, there is a platform to load fiber bales prior to opening. Always be aware of what fiber is assigned to each hopper and the designated fiber warehouse location of each assigned fiber. Remove the label on the side of the fiber bale before opening and document the fiber into FileMaker. Make sure the bale number, the lot number, the total pounds, and the vendor are all documented. When opening the bale, make sure that each strap is removed according to procedure and discarded into the proper waste bin. Then remove the top of the plastic bale covering and discard into the proper waste bin for recycling. All components must be carefully removed in order to avoid contamination in subsequent processes. While feeding fiber into the hoppers, verify the blend percentages. Blend knowledge will assist in knowing how much fiber should be fed into each hopper. It is critical to maintain the optimal level of fiber in the hoppers. Overfilling could result in a choke, and underfilling could result in starving the line while running out the fiber feed. Both scenarios will force a line shutdown. Located on the side of the hopper is an advance button. When pressing the advance button, the apron will advance the compressed fiber bale into the hopper. Inside each hopper is a spike apron. As the spike apron moves, the spikes pick up the fiber and start to open it from the compressed state. Fiber in each hopper is carried by each spike apron to drop into a metered weigh pan system where they all fill until the set point is achieved. The designated weight for each weigh pan is entered into the control system at the start of production from the setup procedure assigned to the product. Once each weigh pan reaches its set point, they simultaneously dump onto a conveyor belt. As the fiber falls onto the conveyor belt, it is treated with an anti-static solution mixed with water from an overspray unit above the belt. The fiber continues along this belt until it eventually reaches the pre-opener. The pre-opener is a large spike beater roll that will provide further opening to the fiber before it travels through the ductwork to the fine opener, if required, and then the blend box. The fine opener will only be required on the setup procedure for 2 reasons. The first reason is if the product needs additional opening or a more consistent blend. The second reason is when the blend box is requiring maintenance activities and the fine opener can be used as a backup. Fiber throughput in the fine opener is much less than the rest of the line, therefore it is used only when necessary. The fine opener fiber level is controlled by photo eyes. The photo eye system will stop the feed once it reaches the full limit and restart the feed once the level is low enough to begin feeding again. Fiber flows automatically through the fine opener and does not require hands-on operation. The responsibility of the hopper utility employee should be to watch and listen for fiber chokes or slow fiber feed and communicate to the operator if they occur. The blend box serves as an overflow area for fiber to build because the line can run faster than the hoppers. Typically 20 to 25 minutes of fiber can be staged in the blend box. This staged fiber in the blend box allows us to run much faster speeds on the overall line. Fiber flows automatically through the blend box and requires no hands-on operation. The utility hopper employee should also watch and listen for too much fiber choking the equipment or not enough fiber flow that will result in the entire line shutting down. Before reaching the tower, the fiber will pass through a metal detector unit. If it detects metal contamination, a door will open in the ductwork and drop the contents into a net. The metal detector unit also works automatically with the line. The employee should watch for the net, as it has to be removed and dumped once it is full. This concludes the opening and blending stages of the line 2 production process.